In today's video I would like to show you how you can sew your own sunglasses case. You only need some cute fabric for the outer side and for the inner side, and you can download my free pattern. It's under the description box, so you can download it there. Find some fabric, some padding to give more structure to the sunglass case, and you can start sewing. Now take your finished outer fabric, then your inner fabric and place right side down and pin . Now you need to sew all around, leaving little gap in here to turn it. Now you need to cut the excess fabric and then we can turn it. Now let's turn. Gently pull this out. I'm gonna help with this tool. You can use scissors. Poke the corners out. Not too hard. Now let's make this round one. Like that. You can press it for a cleaner look. I pressed mine nice and flat. There's our opening. Now we top stitch this all around, then the top stitch will close this gap. Now Now this opening is closed. Now you need to fold this in half. Put a pin in here. Now you need to sew right here to here. And that's how it came out. Now you can put your sunglasses in. I think it's perfect project to make for beginners. It's super easy and looks really nice.